In today's video, I'm going to teach you to use an American Express gift card on eBay. We'll go from activating your card to completing checkout with clear explanations to help your payment go through smoothly on the first attempt. Start by visiting the American Express gift card website to activate or register your card. During this setup, add a billing address to the card profile. This matters because eBay uses address verification to confirm that the billing address you enter at checkout matches what's on file for the card. Using a valid address you can reference later helps avoid declines. While you're on the site, it's also a good idea to note your available balance so you know exactly how much you can spend, including tax and shipping. Next, head to eBay and shop as you normally would. Add your item to the cart and proceed to checkout. Take a quick moment to review the total with shipping, taxes, and any fees included, since the final amount is what your gift card will need to cover. Different sellers and categories can have specific payment preferences, but the standard checkout flow works well for most purchases. When you reach the payment section, choose the credit or debit card option. Do not pick the gift cards option here. That menu is for eBay branded gift cards, not third-party cards. Selecting credit or debit card ensures your American Express gift card is treated like a regular payment card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as they appear on the card. Then make sure the billing address on eBay matches the address you registered with American Express. Small differences, like abbreviations or missing apartment numbers, can cause verification issues, so match it closely. Your shipping address can be different, but the billing address must align with the registration details. Before you confirm the order, double-check that your gift card balance is enough to cover the full purchase amount. eBay does not typically support partial payments on a single order, and many prepaid cards can't be combined in one transaction. Also remember that temporary authorizations, taxes, and shipping can push the total slightly higher, so leaving a small cushion on the card is wise. If you're unsure, quickly check your balance again on the American Express site. Once everything looks good, place your order. If you run into a decline, revisit the billing address, confirm you selected the credit or debit card option, and verify your available balance. And that's it. Now you know how to use an American Express gift card on eBay with confidence.